Well, if you're going to put a first aid kit, you could put it in a Ziploc bag even. Just the things you would need to put in a kit, you could put in a baggie. Just some basic things like some Band-Aids, maybe some kind of antibiotic ointments. Anything that, if you're allergic to aspirin, then you don't want to put those kinds of things in there. But, any kind of just basic non-prescription type, something for upset stomach. You never know what you might encounter if you have to eat away from home for a long period of time. Some Band-Aids, some gauze bandages, things like that. Just basic, not any kind of elaborate sutures or anything that you could seek attention at the hospital for, but just for basic cuts, burns, scrapes, insect bites, things like that. And then put all of those things, the entire disaster kit can fit into a nice plastic container, the ones like you slide under your bed, or a nice Rubbermaid box that you can buy at most any store now. Most department stores carry those kinds of boxes, and they seal pretty well. They're easy to pick up and grab and take with you. So.